T-Mobile routers, such as the Nokia FastMile 5G and Arcadian KVD21, typically combine 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands under one network name for simplicity, focusing on the faster 5 GHz band. However, older devices and smart home gadgets often require the 2.4 GHz band for reliable connection. To enable 2.4 GHz, access your router's admin interface at 192.168.12.1 using a web browser. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Wireless and Band Steering. Disable band steering if enabled. Enabling 2.4 GHz improves compatibility for these devices, ensuring reliable network connections. After disabling band steering, create separate SSIDs for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. This prevents devices from automatically switching bands. For the 2.4 GHz band, consider channel settings. The band uses channels 1 to 11 in the US, and overlapping frequencies can cause interference. Either let the router auto-select the channel or use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the least congested channel. Channels 1, 6, or 11 are generally recommended. Stick to a 20 MHz channel width for better compatibility. Once SSIDs are set up, name and secure them with WPA3 if possible for optimal performance.